We enjoy everything around us because we have all five sense organs. We use our eyes to see things around us. Can you see the boy watching his favorite TV show? The boy can see the beautiful rainbow with his eyes. There are people that cannot see. They are called blind. We use our ears to hear sounds around us. The boy can hear the music with his ears. The boy can hear the ringing bell using his ears. There are people that cannot hear. They are called deaf. We use our nose to smell things around us. The nose helps the boy to smell the burning wood. The boy can smell the fresh fragrance of the flower using his nose. We use our tongue to taste things that we eat. Look, the boy is licking a lemon with his tongue. It is sour in taste. Now he is eating a candy. It tastes sweet. We use our tongue to taste things that we eat. The sense of touch helps us to feel things all around. The boy can feel the harshness of a brush on his hand. The boy can feel the cold ice on his hand. Can you recall all five sense organs now? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin.
Hi kids, welcome to Rai Kids TV. Like, share and subscribe channel and press bell button.